Hello students, how are you all? I have brought for you one most of the important questions which are coming in the upcoming CBSE board examination repeatedly. Okay, so here students, I am just the question brought for you from the trigonometry chapter. Okay, the question is prove that sine to the power 4 theta minus cos to the 4 theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. You have to prove this. So take this part as the LHS side, students. Then we have to show this to right hand side by equalizing. Okay, so this LHS is what? Sine to the power 4 theta minus cos to the 4 theta. So we can write it as sin square theta whole square minus cos square theta whole square. This is equal to x square minus b square formula form. It is in now, so we can apply this formula, that is a plus b into minus b. So sine square theta plus cos square theta, a plus b into a minus b, that is sine square theta minus cos square theta. Okay, and sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, students, you know. So 1 into sine square theta minus cos square theta. Okay, so 1 into something is equal to something, that is sine square theta minus cos square theta. And you know there is a formula, students, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So sin square theta will become what? 1 minus cos square theta minus cos square theta. So 1 minus cos square theta minus cos square theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. Okay, and it was asked to find out, so we got this. This is the RHS side, hence it is proved. Okay, next second question, students. Second question is sin to the power 4 theta plus cos to the power 4 theta divided by 1 minus 2 sin square theta into cos square theta. So take the LHS side first. So LHS side is given this. Okay, so you can write this as sin square theta whole square plus cos square theta whole square divided by 1 minus 2 sin square theta into cos square theta. Okay, then you know there is a formula, a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to a plus b whole square. So that formula I have to apply, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is a plus b whole square minus 2ab, that is sin square theta into cos square theta. Okay, whole divided by 1 minus 2 sin square theta into cos square theta. Okay, and sin square theta plus cos square theta, students, you know 1, that is 1 square minus 2 sin square theta into cos square theta divided by 1 minus 2 sin square theta into cos square theta. And 1 square, you know, that is 1, that is 1 minus 2 sin square theta into cos square theta divided by 1 minus 2 sin square theta into cos square theta. So both the numerator and denominator sides are equal, so they will be cancelled out. So answer is 1. Okay, which is the RHS side, and it was asked to find out. Okay, hence it is proved. Okay, so to find such type of question, students, to solve more and more easiest way, please like, share and subscribe my channel so that I can upload more and more such type of videos. If you have any doubt in this type of question, please write a comment in the comment box so that I can upload more and more videos and clear your doubt. Okay, thank you everybody, have a nice day.